Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this fun and colorful reverse stamp nail design. So I'm going to use a Holo by Color Club called Don't Harp on It, green by Sinful Colors called Cash Out, lilac by Creative Play called A Lilac-y Story, and pink by Sinful Colors called Pink Poppies. So I just bought these plates by Finger Angel. This is the Finger Angel's A006 nail plate, and I'm going to apply black polish onto a abstract nail design, kind of like a shattered glass look. And I'm going to paint in, I'm not going to paint in all the colors. I'm just going to paint in certain little spots because I want the hollow to see through. Now, if you want, you can paint in the hollow on the stamper, but I just felt I already painted it, so it defeated the purpose. If you want, you can use also a nail dotter. I like using nail brushes when I do reverse stamping because I get more polish on my brush and I'm able to, get to the very, corners of a design. But I see a lot of people, I say it in my other reverse stamping designs, I see other people using nail dotters. I tried it once and I didn't like it. So, but to each their own. You may like it. Now, the reverse stamping process is fun. I like to do it because you can create your own design, but make sure that the polish is tacky, like semi-dry, because if it's wet and you put it on your nails, it's going to smudge and ruin your design, and nobody wants that. So once you painted it, just give it some time and then apply it onto your nails. And as you can see, when I apply it on my nails, I put a lot of pressure so that it sticks on my nails, but then I carefully remove the stamper so I don't ruin the design. That's how I do it. And once I was done, I removed the liquid latex, I cleaned around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video easy and simple for you to recreate if you want. I hope you liked it. I liked how it came out. I just thought it was really cute and fun. And here's a finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.